Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to delete Gmail contacts from your iPhone. So if you open your phone app or the Contacts app and see that Gmail is associated with your contacts, here's what you need to do. First, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Now, scroll down until you find Mail and tap on it. Next, tap on Accounts at the very top. Select the Gmail account that's associated with the contacts you want to delete. In our example, it's KW Media. Simply toggle off the Contacts option. A pop-up menu will appear asking if you want to delete these contacts from your iPhone. When you're ready, tap Delete from My iPhone. These contacts will now be deleted. If we go back to our phone or Contacts app, you'll see that they are now gone from the list, and you can use your iPhone as normal. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Fix Zone tutorials.